spicy notes. The rhythm's hot, pour the spice, stir the pot. Spicy notes, one beat, one flame. Different dish, but same old game.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Spicy Notes. Today we are going to make chicken 65.
That instead, actually, you can also make with either boiled eggs, cauliflower, tofu, or baby potatoes. But let's dive right into it. So you're gonna need chicken or whatever else you've chosen to use. Then 1 egg for every 300 grams of chicken that you're using. Garlic and ginger, approximately 2 cloves of garlic for each 100 grams of chicken. Corn flour, paprika powder, and then if you like it a bit spicier, you can use also in addition spicy paprika powder or chili powder, and all-purpose flour. If you don't have it, don't worry, there's just one step you're going to use it, but you can use corn flour instead. And then things you probably anyway have at home, like salt and oil for frying.
So it only takes 5 to 10 minutes hands-on time, and then you have a half an hour break, and then again 5 to 10 minutes for frying.
Cut the chicken in the cubes, make them nice and small. Grab 2 cloves of garlic, peel and grate them all. Take 1 piece of ginger, grate it into paste. Throw it on the chicken, don't you let it waste. Add a pinch of salt, sprinkle red paprika bright. If you want some fire, add the spicy tonight. 1 egg every 300 grams chicken you see. Drop it in the bowl, let it swim wild and free. Grate it, toss it, knead it alive. Wrap that chicken in the 65. Teaspoon corn flour, dust it all around. Mix with your hands till it's sticky and bold. Let it rest half an hour, let the magic unfold. Pour in the oil, enough to fully cover. Heat it up strong, watch it shimmer, not smother. Dial it down to medium. Once it's hot, drop the chicken in, a few at a shot. Fry for 4 minutes, maybe push it to 5. Golden and crispy, pull them out alive. Drain on paper, let the oil drip dry. Stack them up, yeah, you just made them fly. Crispy and sizzling, dreams are alive. You just made a batch of chicken 65.
So, we hope you liked it.
If you did, don't forget to hit the button, subscribe, and try it out yourself and let us know how it was in the comments. Oh, and share it with your friends.